Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to add new Calendly invitee as Pipedrive person. So imagine this, you have created a new event in Calendly, let's say chemistry classes. Now a person called as John has registered to this event. So you have John's name, email address and all those details. So you want to add John as a person in Pipedrive, maybe for further analysis or just for data backup. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from Calendly, sort it out, and manually add him as a person in Pipedrive. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new invite is created in Calendly, automatically add that person in Pipedrive. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Calendly and Pipedrive. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you with an example. Okay, so this is my Calendly account. As you can see, I have scheduled an event that is chemistry doubt session. So the idea is that a person is just going to get this link. Okay, the link has been copied and this is how the person is going to register to the event. Let's say a guy called as Darius. Okay, a guy called as Darius John is going to register to this event. So he's going to schedule the event on, let's say, on May. Okay, so he's going to schedule the event on May. So he's going to schedule on May 2nd. Okay, May 2nd. No, how about May 5th? Okay, so he's going to select the time as 10:30 a.m. Let me just click on confirm. So the name of the person is Darius John, and then we have the email as Darius John123@gmail.com. Okay, and this is Darius' phone number. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so anything else we have to write? Please explain organic chemistry. So basically, this is the description he has added. So a guy called as Darius John is going to be scheduled as an invitee for the event that is chemistry classes. So let me just click on schedule event. Okay, so unfortunately this format is not recognized. So let me just correct this. Okay, so this is the correct format. Let me just click on schedule event. Okay, so an event has been scheduled with me by a person called as Darius John. So now the idea is that once the event is scheduled in Calendly, the person who has scheduled the event, he will be added as a person in Pipedrive. So let me just take you to Pipedrive and I am going to refresh this. Okay, so these are the contacts, these are the list of the persons in my Pipedrive account. So the idea is that once an invite is created in Calendly, he will be added as a person in Pipedrive. So let the list get refreshed. Okay, so let's explore. Do we have a person that is John? There is John. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Okay, so the list hasn't refreshed yet. So let's explore manually. So let us see. Let us see. Nope, nope. There is no John at this point. Okay, so as you can see, we do have a person that is Darius John. Okay, so basically this is the same guy that we have added, or he has registered himself in your Calendly event. So the guy is Darius John and this is the phone number and these are the rest of the details. So basically this is the gist. Anytime an invite is created in Calendly, he will be added as a contact or as a person in Pipedrive. Now to begin the actual integration process in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Calendly and Pipedrive. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow. Okay, so to do that, let me just click on this button, create workflow. Okay, so before I create a new workflow, there is something I have to do. Okay, so let me just close this. And as you can see, there is already a workflow that has integrated Calendly and Pipedrive. So to avoid the duplication of results, since we are going to create a new workflow, I'm going to switch off this workflow. Okay, it is actually none of your concern. We are just going to start from scratch by clicking on create workflow. Now we have to give a name to this workflow. How about I give it as Calendly to Pipedrive. Calendly to Pipedrive. And let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now if you directly want to access this workflow, you can clone the template using the link which I have shared in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Calendly, because we want to send the data from Calendly. That is why. Calendly. Okay, this is the one. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as invitee created. Okay, so invitee created is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new invitee is created in your Calendly account, then what action should be taken by the system? Now we do have one more trigger event, that is invitee cancelled. Now in case if you want more trigger events according to your choice, all you have to do is just ask for help. Just click on this button and here you will be directed to Pabbly forums. So in the Pabbly forums, you just have to make a request that you want such and such trigger events. The same can be applied to action events also. Okay, so let me just take you to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on connect. Okay, so now we have to fill in the API key. So to get the API key, let me just take you to Calendly. Okay, so this is my Calendly account. So what I'm going to do here is at the top, you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so basically this is going to, okay, let it load. Okay, so basically this is the integrations page, and as you can see, this is your API key. All you have to do is just click on copy key. Okay, you have copied it and you are going to paste it here. Okay, I have pasted my key. Let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, you will find the webhook URL. Now in the usual cases, you copy this webhook URL and paste it into the triggering software. But in this case, we don't have to do this. All you have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so when you click on save and send test request, it will show an API response. So basically it shows that we have integrated Calendly to Pabbly Connect. So basically this means that whenever an invitee is created in a Calendly event, the Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just taking you to home. Okay, and we are just going to copy the URL and we are going to make an invitee. Okay, so this time a guy, let's say called as Donald, and Megan Donald is going to schedule the event or register herself to this event. Okay. Okay, so this is the link. Link has been copied, and I'm going to open this in a new tab. So to give a perspective that a registrant is going to be added or registrant is going to schedule the event. Okay, so let's say the person is going to schedule the event for tomorrow on 30th. Okay, so the person, that is Megan Donald, she is going to register at 11 a.m. for 11 a.m. class, and these are the details of Megan Donald, and this is the email of Megan Donald, 23@gmail.com. Okay, and let me enter the phone number and let me just click on schedule event. Okay, so basically the event has been scheduled. So she has been confirmed the time, that is 11 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So basically this is about chemistry doubt solving session. So let us have a look in Pabbly Connect. Since Calendly is integrated with Pabbly Connect, has it captured this data or not? So let's have a look. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. Yes, we do have got the data. So let me just scroll down. So as you can see, this is the event, that is chemistry doubt session. Let me just scroll down even more and let's explore the details. So this is the phone number of the person, and then we have the name of the person, Megan Donald, and then we have the email. Okay, so this is megandonald123@gmail.com. So basically using all these details, we have to create a person in Pipedrive. So to do that, let me just click on this plus button. So basically I'm going to introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive, because we want to send the data to Pipedrive. That is why. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a person? So create a person is an action event. There are many more action event like create deal, create organization, all of them are bunch of action event. Now in case if you want more action event according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com, or you can just visit the forum and make a request here. Okay, so I just want to create at this point a person. So let me just click on connect. In the new credential, let me just fill in the API token. So to get the API token, let me just take you to my Pipedrive account. So this is my Pipedrive account, and here I'm just going to click on my profile. So here you will find the option company settings. Click this. Okay, so these are the company settings, and here you will find the option personal preferences. Click this. Okay, so let it load. So in the personal preferences, we have three choices: account, your companies, and API. So let me click on API. Okay, so this is your API token. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Easy. Okay, so let me just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is simple. We are going to create a person in Pipedrive from the data that we have received from Calendly via Pabbly Connect. So let's start mapping. So here we have to fill in the name. So let's just click on this. Okay, and here you will find all the details that we have received from Calendly. So the name of the person is Megan Donald. So Megan Donald, yeah, we have mapped it. Now this account belongs to me, that is Ashirai, so it is reflecting that. The organization that I have mentioned is Goloka. Okay, now coming to the email, so this is my email. So let me just scroll down and let me just enter the email. So this is the email and we have mapped it. Now we have to mention the phone number. So this is the phone number. So let me just scroll down. Okay, yeah, and this is the phone number and we have mapped it. So the label I'm giving it as customer. Okay, and visibility is only to me. So let me just click on save and send test request to create a person in Pipedrive. So let me do that. Okay, so the API response is showing the person has been created. So let me just take you to Pipedrive, and here I'm just going to take you to contacts, and here you may find the person that is so the name should be starting with M. So I'm just taking you to the folder M. Okay, so let it load, give it some time. Okay, so as you can see, we have a person called as Megan Donald. Okay, so these are the details of Megan Donald. Excellent. So the presence of this person in Pipedrive shows that we have successfully integrated Calendly and Pipedrive with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm just going to minimize this action window, going to minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Calendly to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Pipedrive. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Calendly and Pipedrive. Excellent.